Good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 53. Spiracles are used for A. Excretion, B. Movement, C. Nutrition, D. Reproduction, and E. Respiration. Now, spiracle is actually a part of an insect. You find spiracle in an insect. Now, the use of this spiracle is that spiracle allows air into the tracheal system of the insect. Just like how we breathe in air through our nostrils and our mouths, so also the insects breathe in air through the spiracles. So spiracle is actually an organ of what? Respiration, concerned with respiration, and that is option E. So spiracle, which is a part of an insect, is used for respiration. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.